Morning, me I put on the phone there, so. Come on, talk clear. They want to see myself when me talk, so me turn on the phone and do it straight. Hey, me I say, greeting to the people I'm out there, so. Everything I want to say. Because I don't feel good, and it's not a topic where I normally talk about. Me I watch everybody I deal with it from where they. And me I bill, and me I listen, and me I see it, and me I read. Get me I say? Right now I don't feel good. And I'm vexed with what I go on. I mean, we in a time, at end time, we know that where it's like, me I read the news, and it's like, Bahamas people are dead. Trinidad out of control. A whole heap of Caribbean country are flip out of control. So me I say, the world now going pretty. For nothing at all, people are dead, a waste of time. You get me I say, me know Bible must fulfill and all them something there. The world in a crisis. See me? But before me know other Caribbean country get up and say, yo, you hear me, you're Jamaican, so think about talk about your country, because your country no problem to blah blah blah. Me get it out of the way when me not deal with the little Caribbean country they make here. Uno down over there in the rest of Caribbean country, uno deal with the thing. Uno talk to phone people them and do what I do. But if you not watch me from other Caribbean country, uno not go on good. You get me I say? But Jamaica, as a Jamaican, let me tell you something. You have some little crosses down at Jamaica. Down there do some foolishness when don't make no sense. Where you come from? Where a spirit you come from? Where you jump? What kind of spirit you get to the man them down at Jamaica? Where the man them a kill woman, cut off woman neck, kill woman, tab bust throat, and then something there, and a little picnic them a stab up. Eh? What kind of foolishness that? What you do? You saying? And when you done some on the same man a cuss gay. And a who know a killer of the woman them. Mostly with young girls and stuff. What I'm telling you. Eh? Me see them a send on some little two picture with two little idiot ugly boy. We see them a taxi driver. I take where people picnic and a killer off a bush. You know I hear that boy? You know I hear that? And then what I do? No make no sense, yo. You know I kill picnic, I kidnap people picnic. Yes, and two pictures, me see them a send on, me don't even know them. Why they head color up like him sister head? You know, ugly like. But not take where people picnic. You cut out them foolish system and I want to know. And you say something on a bad man down at Jamaica, me tell you something. On a bad mind or on a blind? Because on a blind to the fact on a can't see on a mash up the country. Man a blind to the fact on the see on a look a fool, dirty behavior. And make people look pan Jamaica like worse or anything else. On ugly like. Yeah man, it bad me man. And then on a bad mind. Because you realize the strength where Jamaica have. Where the world I look upon Jamaica. Jamaica coming like a place where you see if some people not go Jamaica, it's come like a dream to some people if you go to Jamaica, the island of Jamaica. I go sub woman dep on a base where they pure white people. Me and them a whole a reason. And one of them could have asked me, oh, you're from Jamaica? Yeah, I'm from Jamaica. The question with them asked, so what you doing here? I would love to go to Jamaica. White people love go to Jamaica. When them say Jamaican in America, them a feel like a waste time because Jamaica the place to be. You get to me I say? At Jamaica, white people ask we black people who live Jamaica. What are you doing here? I love Jamaica, man. Antigua Bay, and then they even know some Antigua Bay one of the top place where we are going to leave a crap. You get to me I say? The whole island of Jamaica, all Hanover. And when Hanover get so bad, and when Hanover get out of hand so, where every minute them a shoot up place and a chop up. I want to go on with people. Balance man. Some of the man was so a bad man and a pit no kill, no a bad man, no a hear that, you know, if you go man. No a bad mind. When me say police kill and someone, I'm glad. You get to me I say anybody, see some of the people when know say, the youth them are going with them foolishness down at Jamaica. And still I hide them up. You know if you got prison to and get charged for murder. When town family member kill people and then can't get the people and then if you lock them up and charge them for murder too. You get to me I say, hear me I say government of Jamaica. Now bring back hanging. Bring it back. Yeah, because some look come and go on like them tough and hard. When time them do them foolish, don't give them a long time. Catch them, try them, kill them instantly. And that me I say. Because someone go on like a fool. I get up and kill people picnic. I kidnap people picnic. For what? I stab them up and kill them, cut out. Me see some picture with someone where a man kill all him woman. I sent him as well there. When he done, cut up the woman, him push up all banana stalk in the woman and all them something there. Bust off neck. What kind of heart attack you know youth? You no balance man. And about with the foolishness. You not go on good. You not bad man brethren. You no found take up some little bad man. You come like some little fool. No found you burn me now. When some little man, when we are here about Jim Brown and George Flash and the commander. We never hear them go on like one go on. I want to take killing to a next level. We want to take phone wickedness and badness to an extreme. Yeah? Want to click and as you click a pow, we not go on good. Me I tell no son you not go on good. I mean I talk to no pretty. You get to me I say you not go on good. I mean you follow them on the Facebook page. I use all different name and I watch what people I say. So some all the picture me send them with the two boy them, but if you send it round and make people know them. Yo, hear me I say, me not two I go send you on that picture then because me not get no fame, me no. Me not take on no picture on the post it and send it to one for people know it and when you don't know in a jail a laugh at about you know get no famous you know. Because no picture they all about you know. You not get no fame, you know. I dead enough for dead in my youth. When I kill people, people for dead instantly. Me I tell no son of a dead. Because on a wicked passing level. You get me? I say devil now go on away. I wanna go on like could make Jamaica look like Jamaica phrase and thing like that. And I go on like it. One time I did political war now. I wake up no wicked brethren, if you cut it out brethren, build people, and people know me tell you something, when you build on the thing, and me I go tell you so if you build, and when time you know so you pick me on a man or a friend them run up and down with foolishness, if you know with it, you know left it, and make some people know so them cut it out, if you know can't cut out no foolishness, you're low way. Can you found out I do no foolishness, and as you hear say police are coming to run go hide, and run like on a fool, I'll do on a idiot. You go ugly like, no wicked self. And two boys them here where they are showing a picture. And if you go sit down man, and build brethren.